Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can export captions on CapCut PC. I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter so it's a little bit quicker for it to generate. So go to text and select the language your video is in and just select generate. And it's going to generate the auto caption, so just wait a while. To export just the caption, you're going to select the export section here. Unfortunately, this is like a pro feature only. So if I want to just export the captions, make sure you have pro, by the way. But if you want to know like how to export captions, just select export. And if your video has has captions, you're going to select the captions button here and you're going to select the format you want the subtitle to be exported in. And you're just going to select export, but I don't have pro, so I can't really show it to you, but like you get kind of like the point. Again, if you have auto captions generated, you're going to deselect your video and you're going to select the captions button here. And then after that, you're just going to press export and it's going to export just the caption of your videos. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!